children. Okay, how are you today? Okay, hope you are doing fine with your family. Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's recite the doa penerang hati and doa pagi. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma aftah alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Amin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an wa rizqan thayyiban wa amalan mutaqabbalan. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an wa rizqan thayyiban wa amalan mutaqabbalan. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an wa rizqan thayyiban wa amalan mutaqabbalan. Okay, children, surah for our hafazan is surah Al-Fil. Okay, don't forget to memorize. Okay, children. Okay, seterusnya teacher akan terangkan tentang Nabi Ayub. Okay, Nabi Ayub ni dia berketurunan daripada Nabi Ibrahim dan dalam kalangan Bani Israel. Okay, Nabi Ayub ni dia merupakan Nabi yang begitu taat pada perintah Allah. Dia sentiasa beriman pada Allah walaupun Allah menganugerahkan dia dengan harta yang banyak, yang mempunyai ladang ternakan, ladang tanaman. Walaupun dia mempunyai harta yang begitu banyak, tapi dia tetap bertakwa kepada Allah. Dan sehingga diuji oleh Allah dengan menghidapi penyakit kusta selama 18 tahun. Okey, berkat dengan kesabarannya, dengan ketakwaan, ketauhidan Nabi Ayub, maka Allah anugerahkan dia dengan penyakit dia sembuh dengan meminum air daripada hentakan kakinya. Okey, itulah sedikit tentang kisah Nabi Ayub. Today, I want to teach you how to write number 11. Before that, let us revise the numbers 1 to 15 is using flashcards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right, today, day and date in English. Today is Monday and the date is 11th of May 2020. Let's start our lesson. Come, follow teacher. You draw a standing line downwards to the line. Don't go over the line. Okay, repeat the same steps. Now, let's draw some marbles and count until 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Pause the video now, alright? Let's complete our mathematics work.
Have you completed your mathematics work? Good job! Let's do our art and craft activity. The activity for today is little fish. Thank you. Okay, this activity will teach you the features of the fish and also the skill of rub and press. In this bag, a paper plate and eyes, a tail and 3 colors of clay. Firstly, paste the tail to the body using glue. Next, peel the sticker and paste the eyes. We use this clay for the scale. Make a small circle, put on the plate, then press. Repeat the same step until it is done. You can use your creativity to mix the colors. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy today's lesson. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell